Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to view Google Contacts. So it's pretty basic and simple, so let's get started. We open the Chrome browser, we type Google Contacts, now we open the first result. Here you can see those are all my contacts. I can search by tapping on the icon for search and then press search. I can also tap on the three lines at the bottom, at the top left, and tap on frequently contacted. So all those contacts are actually built in Google services. So for example, I can start typing the name of the person in Gmail and they will find if this contact actually has an email connected to the profile. So this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips how can I improve my content, type them in the comment section below.